Sorry for that interruption, class. Our dogs are usually great friends, but they wanted attention from Cheryl, my wife, who's filming. And so they got violent, but they're fine now. Okay, so let's finish here. This is 0.009 over 0.009 plus, shift the decimal point 2 places, 0.00999. Okay, now compare this expression with the previous one. Look at the numerators and look at the two terms in the denominators. This number is just this one times a million, isn't it? Because you shift the decimal point 6 places to the right, and the same for this number. So the answer is going to be the same, 0.0826. Okay, so that, in a way, that sort of explains where this mysterious formula comes from. If you think carefully about the two solutions, I hope you'll now see that the number 1 million is arbitrary and it disappears from the end of the calculation. It doesn't show up at all when we use base formula to do the computation. All right, now this is this sort of thing may or may not be applicable to the coronavirus, but what we notice here is, and this always happens, when you have a medical condition that has very low incidence in the population, even if you have a pretty good test for the condition, if you test a patient at random, an asymptomatic patient, and the test is positive, most likely the patient doesn't have the condition. That really sounds strange, but that's true. So in this particular example, we have the 90% and the 99%, which seem close to 100%. These look like good tests, but we have very low incidence, and only one person in 1,000 has TB. That's our assumption. Okay, I'll be busy over the weekend, I promise you. I have a lot to do. I have to figure out your second test, how to deliver it to you. I'll probably do that in more than one way. All the videos are public domain, so anybody in the world can look at my videos, and I hope everyone in our class does it. Even if you've been rather casual about the course, you can still get caught up. So I do hope we have a good performance on the second test, but remember, do your own work. And next week we start the linear algebra material. We gain a class because we don't have to devote a class period to the test. On the other hand, we're going more slowly than usual, and we're not covering as much material. So have a good weekend then, and we'll start our linear algebra on Tuesday, and you'll also have your test delivered to you.